Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a very powerful mouthwash, a natural mouthwash, actually very healthy for the gums and all of the inside of the mouth, and even good for the teeth. So as you see, I've got a pot of water boiling. I'm going to add 5 ingredients. First is plantain leaf. This is so good for mouth health. Mouth health. That sounded weird, but it's right. Then we have star anise. Look how beautiful she is. Oh, look at her. So divine. So perfect. So star anise, antibacterial, antifungal, really good at cleaning the mouth and the tissue and everything in the mouth. Next we have rosemary, a bunch of rosemary. Rosemary is such great mouth health. That just seems weird, mouth health. That's right though. Such good mouth health. And then we've got wonderful cloves, beautiful cloves. Antibacterial, antifungal, does a whole bunch for the mouth. Then we've got chamomile. Chamomile is a cooling, soothing agent. So after you brush your teeth and you use mouthwash, your teeth have been scrubbed and your gums with the toothbrush, so it's a little hard on the gums. So adding the chamomile is going to make this mouthwash very soothing and so good for the mouth health. Okay, so we're going to put in the chamomile in the boiling water. Use as much as you want, guys. I don't really have any specific amount that I use. If I really love star anise, I put a lot of star anise in. So next we're putting the cloves. See, there's a lot of cloves because I love cloves. Put that in. I'm going to turn this off now. I'm going to put the star anise in. Rosemary. Plantain. I'm going to break the plantain up a little bit. This is dehydrated. These were all dry herbs and dry spices. You could use wet. I just didn't have any wet right now available. I just used all my dry. So we're going to mix that up a little bit. Just push it around in the water. I'm going to remove it from the stove now. And now it is going to be a tea that I'm making because I'm going to cover it with the cover. And I'm going to let that sit, removed from the heat, until it cools down. So it may take an hour. If it takes an hour, good. If it takes 2 hours, even better. Let it sit for the night, guys. Let it sit on the back of the stove for the night and then strain it and use it for a mouthwash because it'll really be extracting for a long time that way. But if you want to use it right away, just when it's cooled, strain it, put it in a bottle, keep it in the fridge if you can. If you have some aspen bark, you could add that, and that would give it a little bit of a natural preservative. Actually, I think I'm going to do that right now, because you would add the aspen bark after everything is boiled. So I've got some aspen bark here. I'm going to add that. That's a natural preservative and actually good for mouth health. Mouth health. Not everyone can get aspen bark, so that's totally, up to yourself. You don't need it. If you want it to last a little bit longer, put a shot of honey in there or put a shot of lemon. They're both natural preservatives too. So it'll make your mouthwash last longer. I didn't do a very big batch, so I'll use this up within like a week. But if you add, where I added the aspen bark, the natural preservative, this will last about 3 months. If you added honey or lemon as a natural preservative, it'll last a couple weeks. I kept it in your fridge, lasts a couple months. That's it. Now I'm going to cover it, like I said, put it to the back. Let it sit till it cools, strain it, put it in a bottle, and that is my natural mouthwash and good gum health. and good for the teeth.